ganyan. For me to live is Christ and to die is gain. Kung patayin nila ako, because I'm fighting with God's law, walang problema.
But you're not backing down on your position on same-sex.
I will die for my stand.
Wow.
To protect the God's law.
Sobrang dinidibdib ni Manny ang kanyang pananampalataya na ginawa na niyang misyon ang ituro ang salita ng Diyos sa lahat ng kanyang mga kasama at mahal sa buhay. Kahit sa mga kanong kasama niya, wala siyang kakimikiming nagtuturo, hawak ang Biblia at memoryado pa ang mga berso.
The knowledge of the truth, no sacrifice for sin is left. Gusto kong isabihin sa kanila na hindi lahat ng porque you go to the church every Sunday, you pray every day, tapos hindi mo na you keep on sinning, hindi ka paligtas nun. Kasi sabi, why do you call me Lord, Lord, and you do not do what I say? In James 2 verse 19 and 20, it says, you believe that there is one God. Good. That's good, huh? Even the demons believe that in each other.
Do you think that his faith is genuine, or is this just all a put-on?
Oh, no, I think his faith is genuine. But there was a spirituality about him that I, very early on, picked up on.
From Sarangani Province, Philippines, the 8-time world champion and reigning, defending WBO welterweight champion of the world, Manny.
Ang pinaigting na koneksyong ito ni Manny sa Panginoon ang siya rin daw nagbigay sa kanya ng kasiguruhang mananalo siya sa laban niya kay Bradley. Nang interviewin ko siya isang linggo bago ang laban, buong kumpiyansa niyang idiniklara ang kanyang pagkapanalo.
I believe 100%. I have faith na mananalo ako.
Paano pag natalo ka? Will this have an effect on your faith?
It's impossible with man. But with God, all things are possible. Ang problema natin is to see is to believe. Baliktad sa Panginoon, hindi eh. Believe is to see. Ikaw mo? Tayong tao, to see is to believe. No, hindi ganun ang Panginoon. Believe is to see.
Kaya naman sa harap ng mga deklarasyon niyang ito, inabangan ko ng maigi ang magiging reaksyon niya sa kauna-unahan niyang pagkabigo sa ibabaw ng ring bilang natatanging pound-for-pound boxing king ng nakaraang 7 taon. Sa harap ng mas bagito at dehadong si Timothy Bradley, sa harap ng kanyang asawa at mga anak, sa harap ng milyon-milyong tagahangang nakasaksi sa kanyang pagkakristyano, ang pananampalataya ni Manny Pacquiao ay naharap sa isang matinding pagsubok. At ito ay nagwagi.
We have faith to God in good times, di ba? We can say in good times. This is we say always we have faith to God, that our faith to God and our relationship to God is close, you know, in good times. Now, how about in this time? Is your faith still the same? Or maybe not now, but my faith is still the same, and I believe, I'm happy that there's a better plan for that.